I'm going to show you how to voice melodies in a chord, transforming your playing from this to this. This can be a tricky skill to learn, but I'm going to show you a simple hack that will get you voicing melodies professionally now. For this exercise, I like to use C major chord and first inversion as a starting place, and we'll say that this top note is your melody note you're wanting to bring out. Now, it's tricky to just jump right in and try this because the way we're wired, our fingers, our hands want to do the same things at the same times, so we're going to start by separating them. So what I'd like you to do is play that top note loudly, and then play the rest of the chord softly. Again, making sure you're playing with a nice relaxed hand, good technique. So louder, softer. And again, louder, softer. And when that's feeling comfortable, you're going to bring those two things closer together. So loud, soft, loud, soft, loud, soft. And then bring them even closer together, loud, soft. And then eventually playing it all at the same time. By following these steps, it'll be so much easier than if you just tried to do this off the bat. And then of course you'll take that muscle memory from your hand and try to apply it to any music that you're playing where you want to bring that top voice out. And then to complement this, you'll definitely want to check out this piano finger exercise video, giving you total freedom at the piano. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.